Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to do practically the last topic of lesson 3, agreement of predicate adjective. And there is one more topic. It is about numbers, but that will not be posted as a presentation. But this is practically the last topic, you can say. Now, what is agreement of predicate adjective? So in the lesson, we have already done genitive case when it is object of preposition. We've done helping vowels. We've done definite article. We have also done demonstrative phrases. Now we are going to do agreement of predicate adjective. So what is that? So if you see an adjective, which is a sifa, is sometimes functioning as a predicate, a khabar, and this happens in equational sentence, jumlatu ismiyatu. So jumlatun ismiyatun. So basically you can say that when an adjective is serving as a khabar, as a predicate, it is called predicate adjective. And the example of it, if you remember from the previous drill, jadidun. Now if you look at this example, uh, if you look at this example, hal anta jadidun huna. So anta is your mubtada and jadidun is your khabar. Now, if you understand that adjective is a noun, sifa is a noun and is an ism basically, not a noun, it's an ism, and it has a status. In EMSA, status means case. Definiteness, which means a type. So I'm going to give you the EMSA terms and also the term that we have used in Dream program. So case is basically what we call status, rafa nasabjar. Definiteness is when we say proper or common, which is type. Then you have gender and number. So these are the four properties an ism has. And since sifa is also one of the ism, it will have these four properties. Now, predicate adjective exactly like that. But since it's khabar, it will be always in nominative, which is rafa status, rafa case, nominative case. It will always be indefinite, which means it will be common. The type will be common. And the number and gender basically will depend on the subject, which is mubtada, the mubtada of the sentence. Now, if you look at this example, hal anta jadidun huna, are you new here? So anta, if you see, is masculine and singular, and jadidun is also masculine and singular. So you see how they are matching in number and gender like it is over here. It is common. Jadidun is the predicate adjective, which is common, and it is rafa, jadidun. Similarly, anti, feminine, singular, and jadidatun, feminine, singular. So it is in agreement with mubtada, which is anta, anti, in gender and number, and also it is common, like it is said over here, and it's in rafa form. So this is these are a couple of examples. We will also use predicate adjective in plural also. We can use it in dual also, but we will study that later, inshallah. So this brings us to the end of this. Almost brings us to the end of this chapter. If there are any outstanding questions, please feel free to ask on the group, and inshallah, one of us will be able to help you. Jazakumullah khair.